here in San Jose. This is a pre-Wekfest San Jose meet hosted by the homies Kaiju Company. It's actually a big collab event. I'm gonna throw the flyer right here for y'all so you guys can see all the people. Lots of great cars out here. Oh shit.
Well, apparently that's technical.
As y'all can see, the meet is completely full. We're out here on the south side for any of my San Jose locals. The key is right out there. Got so many dope cars. Super clean 240Z right here. Sick. Sounds so good too. Honorary special appearance by the homie Goose in the vlog. Goose 350 with his Q50. What? She look good. Red on red. Very clean. Over here we got the homie Rogers twin turbo Z32. This yellow is so sick on these cars. It's actually very rare as well. So as y'all can see, we're like on a whole nother side of the parking lot again. We got basically this whole side filled and that whole side filled too. But yeah, super clean Datsun B210. Cool. There's a lot of vets here too today. Clean R34. Yeah, this was a GTR. Super sick on the LMGT4s. You can never go wrong with those in my opinion. So clean. White looks so good on these cars. Y'all got an R34, what color would you want? Let me know in the comments. Just off that?
Yeah, those diesel.
right out my mind. Catch me as I slide on your taste side. I style when